ꯑꯁ ꯁꯛꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯁ ꯊꯤꯔ ꯁꯤ ꯁꯛꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯃꯥ ꯍꯧꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯥꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯥꯏꯖꯔꯦ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯃꯥꯗ ꯑꯦꯞꯇꯣ ꯀꯥꯏꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯞꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯛꯀꯦꯀꯣ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯞꯅ ꯉꯥꯡꯒꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯉꯥꯡꯕ ꯇꯜꯂꯦ ꯄꯨꯡ 10 ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯠ 12 ꯅꯥꯎꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯅꯥꯎꯟꯁ ꯅꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯀꯝꯄꯥꯎꯟ ꯅꯥꯎꯟ ꯀꯦꯄꯤꯇꯦꯂꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯔꯨꯜꯒ ꯋꯥꯊꯤꯅꯤ ꯇꯥꯛꯀꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ use of capital letters with nouns ko capital letter ka kai sinani hai capital letters are used with and signify haveniko names and titles of people mi maming or titles of people Winston Churchill nada W je so boy jena C je so boy dra Marilyn Monroe haidana Monroe haidana spy jala je sibo Marilyn Monroe haibneba adu kayona title oidra the jidi oite queen je title neba England niko name title of people the president haja P je so boy joina of the United States mi headmaster of Eton Dr. Matthews title ni Dr. je so boy jo professor je P masaya de ko professor so boy yo kangena friend noi noi ojana talakpa grammar mayam da loi kaw aina ta ko jana khang ko khangena moi khangdam aini hai dana kana tra friend the personal pronoun I is always written with a capital letter chuje hoi pronoun I je always written with a capital letter hai je hoi khara am hai bane I je masani ira suka sukai de na ko sentence ho buna tra ko de marakta and I want to go hai da so wi ra ko suka adaga when haraga I je so wi to je when I was I masai ra su I am adana ordinary wari am khangu kan da so wi de ining ba mi title of works books extra ai se kaino khalak pe nei mai da sida ida mangan ngal me ho se pas title of works books extra ka war and peace je kanan e Lewis Tolstoy ai par ba padre like mamin the merchant of Venice ko crime and punishment Tristan and Isolde Hydra Isol Hydra khang de se padre kai no bu khang bu da ka ja months of the year months of the year January July si capital letter no i sini khang ko friend days of the week si ida Saturday Sunday season spring summer autumn winter so bula i ga dong ni ko friend kaw no hita kaw dong do Christmas holiday extra ko hoi de unate wathi ba ni matam na Christmas extra do ko ni ngon chako ba ka do khana sirau do so ni geographical names of countries and continents America England adu da so no i ga dong ni khangina friend mai kaw no wa wari de names of regions state district etc to district or ge chu region or ge chu state or ge chu ko asobuna no ibio names of cities towns villages jula asobuna no ibi ga ko names of river book the number to and the number in asobi ibio si khangena Pacific adu da do asobi ibio de khara respect bio name of geographical formations ko the Himalayas jawab Alps Sahara ka desert ni dana sing do asam da Europe ta leyo ta Himalayas ko moi asobni bio friend adjective related to nationality nouns ko adjective neba adugo nationality gi ba ko French music haidana French music the F masai no Australian animals ka da asobi bio is ji adjective neba Australia haja adjective na sine ba Australian ja other nationality ko relating to nationality nouns German je adjective ni na Arabic writing Indonesian poetry is like what Chinese food ka so ni bi ko fra ndagi names of streets building parks etc ko park ko ma ji lo na so bi yo ja hai ko kangla kai do so ni ga dong ni ko BT park adu da central avenue adu to simya ja so ni bi hai slow Laira. A friend. So, ano bang tawag? Kaya ito siya. List of nationalities in English ko. Yes. Wari na. Sino? The country siya nationalities kita. I live in England. So, way ito ni friend ko. Here is English literature executive nebe. Ko. English ki of literature. Now she is an English woman. She noun na sinaba ko. Then country is noun at ni is noun ni sin executive ni sinaba ko. Country to na. Ala si kangay na friend. Country to Africa. Executive to kayo ni African. Noun to kayo ni an African kangay na. Adon American na ni mayam to ko. Adon noun to mi mo katong ita di an American ay Manipuri ana hay din ay Maitai na ko may hay to. Si kangay na. Islam yam to le hapte mo jo sono so bro ko. Ay din ay si kanalo pangon din. Kailan tolong kita na ya. Giờ sinh khả năng yaad mai si yaad is still lower. Koi Colombian Chinese list of nationalities khang na England da kayo oh doga wish da plane oh do si koi na da sine ba koi na ko we wish koi na da sine nationality is ta ending with es or is sana da Chinese kumbaga we the plural Chinese kumba kona nationality je ES na kumba loido ko ta de ko IS na loido ba Spanish hay na adana Spanish hay the Spanish hay ba nationality ka adjective ta ni da mo hay khang na ka friend na Chinese adu ta ante sidi yang khang na ja nong khang kan e Chinese na ka chu hay ro khang na an American and a loy ben is not to khang na ko the sign is to the asia there machine lo chala je how to form the possessive way as e dong tok chale wari noun loi da friend ko noun loi da Korean này ai sắc thì ao lại về đâu hapa cần nhớ đôi hapa rồi to form the possessive it is apostrophe ko apostrophe samang is samang hapa ba possessive thì ai ni ma ni hay cái apostrophe thì gì này na đây dân độ nằm kama hapa apostrophe hay là to the noun if the noun is plural or already ends in s just add apostrophe samna hai plural or noun natraga already ends in s to lota tna just add si apostrophe khatang ha pa s am ha prasya re s no lota re right khatang ha pa ron kaina plural or words man khatang ha pa in speaking we add the sound z to the name kona ngang bagam da ne sound si z chen ha pe Thomas z kaina James kind of jet when half there. But in 19 it is possible to use either or S or just S. The form is more common. Example Thomas go James had the car of John had go. Why see S no loita juna plural or the bene was apostrophe happy apostrophe S happy do not refrain. Tadi itu hai dan es no tadi apostrophe semangat tang ha paham la tu sidi mim tang wai bene ba si su mim tang wai bene plural ha te na singular wai bene na car of John ha ba John ni car hai ni ga ron the car of John lo thong ne the car of John's car hai jang it was the room of the girls room the room of the girls have got ada Roman girls ada mayam ni na aduna yang apostrophe je yes yang maning lo katang main happy jana semaina ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯒꯥꯔꯜꯁꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯨꯔꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯩꯅꯦꯕ, ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯨꯂꯔ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ. ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯨꯂꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃ, ꯄ꯭ꯂꯨꯔꯦꯜ ꯁꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ. ꯀ꯭ꯂꯣꯠꯁ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ sida men's clothes haise kind of. The sister of Charles' sister, the sister of Charlie's harajiko wari. The sister of Charles or Charles' sister is my happy journal. The board of the sailors board and hajo. Kinda sidana is not like the benina is happy journal plural tajo. Sidana plural or redo is not like benina just apostrophe is matung happy kind of friend. Sina si plural never mean haja do is not like the sana smana men sana happy kangana. So she is not like that mess height the plural of that happens when happen never kangana haja. See the toys. The board of the sailors had the boat sailors. So is grammar expert ko idanaka wari grammar ayam kang with the entire natra. No you kang out in natra. The board of the sailors board has Maja city sailors a plural never. Is not maybe. And as man in half did an is some are we doing half track hung in a gun. Some R is R apostrophe is and waited and is already hung in a city live. There are also some fixed expressions where the possession from its user. Time expression. Time give expression. When expression comes to label possessive form just possessive form the time it is what no memory tabak have for God's sake. Other expression go other apostrophe just a fortnight holiday for night mitra mari have not haptan a pound's watch of apple so that do apostrophe other expression center a month's pay to go target pesa the waters is an expression to the have in today's newspaper at the air sination see having a possessive neither a stone throw away question throw away my own later although I am not in a year's time at that store very ill at that store she bagi tongsin your of that kind of kind of name canonare in my mind's eye. In my imagination, mind guy the guy in my imagination. I know. I don't see Kang and I am Kang the Kang the Karam ear can angel. Quite English eat on the Tedanago. Quite English Iram but Kangs have an eaten. I English again is here I think that we have not Iram ever got to Kangs have an eaten a friend. The possessive form is used with nouns referring to people. Possessive form quite noun refer to body noun people who refer to the group or people's countries element belonging to ownership is one of the relationship it express. Mong the labor and remember who is it John's car? Masi John Gira, John Tobra, Haina. Mapuche John Gira, under John Gira, Haina. John's own car. John is the possessor or owner name. It's John's car. America is some old gold reserves. America is the owner. They are America's gold reserves. America skinny. Relationship, for example. This is John's school. John's school. Don't sleep in his room. This is John's room. John's room. Apostrophe is how don't know. Magin possession gumba. Relationship, for example, go works or studies or spends time though. John's mother go young family relation later. Quinn's daughter go Quinn na do that no what he qualities. John's patience a politician the politician. My magun go John's patient the politician hypocrisy magunness is hypocrisy. What he needs what he were in behind hypocrisy do that writer historian opinion hypocrite do that type of like the man. Boy I know get later. What a man yes. The possessiveness is also used to refer to shops go. Dukan gomba, restaurant gomba, service college. The grocers, the doctors, the blacksmiths, lugais, tomitagas, engines, Devraj ka haibro, the dentist ka haibro. The masak phajabas ka haibro. The grocers ka haibro wari. Shall we go to linguist for lunch kan? I have got an appointment at the dentist at 11 o'clock. Dentist kida ka haibro. So restaurants as colleges name and title of the Hanathana. It's St. Mary's and all girls school got. St. Mary's yam later. Although no ping at the kind of St. Mary's kind of Kaisium, Kain Haja. The apostrophe is a sinage possessiveness is sinage. Kaino school gumba college gumba some of the sinage restaurants of the Adonai Hais. Adonai in a friend. Yare am sangamani, minute trang ounce from money, not now, dog. Ado. Sakri Bora Vicare, she came as a Patava Sakri teacher letter friend. Lucia video said like the video, like the follow the Dr. Vero page. What do you do? Like, subscribe, follow. Yeah. Lucia friend.